But now, the first of the JF-17s is about to touch down. The first time that we have welcomed a JF-17 to the world's biggest military airshow. Not that long ago, the Pakistan Air Force had a rather disparate and ageing fleet of fighter types which were no longer competitive in high-intensity combat. They were reliant on types like the Chengdu F-7, which was the Chinese license-built version of the MiG-21. Since the 1990s, the nation has been on a quest to replace those with a new, very low-cost fighter. Development went quite slowly initially until the early 2000s, at which point design work was passed to the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation in China. The jet, dubbed Fighter China 1 by the Chinese and the JF-17 Thunder by Pakistan, was designed by China's foremost aircraft designer, a man by the name of Yang Wei, and under his leadership the project moved much faster. The resulting aeroplane flew for the first time in 2003 and it entered service in 2007, but that was the early version, the JF-17A, which proved to